Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make a growl in Serum. So let's start by creating a MIDI region, and we'll add our note, and we'll load up Serum right here. And we're going to start with a basic sawtooth wave. We have no wavetable, so if we play this sound, if we play this note that we just made, we're going to hear just this waveform repeated. Just a plain sawtooth wave. Now let's see if we can change that. So we're going to add a couple of voices. I'm going to say 9 voices. We're going to detune them just a bit. I'm going to make them blend a little bit better together so every voice is the same level. And now let's listen to that. So as you can hear, we've got 9 voices and they're slightly detuned from each other. Now we want to continue with this sound. So let's see if we can lock this in place. We'll resample to oscillator A, which means that the sound we just created is going to be our new waveform. So as you can see, we just got a new waveform that we made from scratch, and it is now a wavetable, so we can move through our different waveforms. So let's play this. So as you can hear, that's that detuned sound that we just created, and it's now part of a wavetable. So we are actually going to resample again, and we're going to do that a few times. There we go. I think this is good enough. So now, as you can see, we've got quite a couple of complex waveforms that we can work with. Now next up, we're going to create that classic growl sound, which is like that opening sound. Alright, so we're going to start by making our first LFO, that stands for low frequency oscillator, and we're going to create a slope with a high attack so that we move through a bunch of waveforms at once and then we slow down. Now the cool thing about Serum is that we can attribute these LFOs to different parameters. So if I drag this over, I can tag it and tie it to my wavetable position, which means that now my LFO will determine the speed at which we go through our waveforms. So let me show you what that looks like. Wavetable position 1, and I'm going to play the sound. I have the speed at 1 bar, so the LFO takes 1 bar to complete, and we're going to see what it does to our wavetable. So as you can see, it goes up. Once it reaches the top, it pauses.